To start, ensure that the surface shows no trace of paint, wallpaper or other materials. The surface must be perfectly straight, solid with no cracks, clean and free of dust. If needed, sandpaper can be used to remove all traces of previous materials. The surface should then be hoovered and cleaned using a damp sponge. The surface must be completely dry before beginning the installation. Installing these products is really easy, and you don't need the help of a professional. These products require no glue or grout. All you need is a pen, a ruler, a handsaw, a file and a level. Each stone has 2 self-adhesive stripes on the back. As we have a variety of shades in each box, we recommend that before beginning the installation, you mix the products from several boxes so as to have a harmony of colours. Begin the installation from a corner at the bottom of the wall. Just place the stone in its future position and use a level to ensure it will be placed straight. Draw a line to mark its position. Remove the protection from the adhesive strips and apply the stone to the wall by pressing firmly and holding it in position for 5 seconds so that the stone adheres completely to the surface. Position the second stone using the level and then repeat this process. When starting a new row, position the stone with an offset relative to the first row. This will ensure a more natural look. In order to do this, place the stone and mark it for cutting. Draw a line and cut the stone using a handsaw. Cutting should be done on the face of the stone. In order to avoid chipping, the cut edge must be filed down to ensure a perfect fit. In each box you'll find extra self-adhesive strips that you can apply to the back of the cut pieces before installing them onto the wall. Your stone wall will be ready in no time. After finishing the installation, we recommend using a water and oil repellent spray in order to facilitate the maintenance of the stones.